What's up? I hope you're doing fine. In today's recipe, I'm going to be showing you how to make curried sausages, and they are going to be absolutely amazing. So if you have sausages lying around in the house and you don't know what to do, try out this recipe and it will be very delicious. If you're new here, I'm Scovia and welcome to Infoods Specials, where the recipes are always simple and amazing, not forgetting very delicious, like this one. So follow along, please. So I'm going to pick a pan, and then on medium flame I'm going to add cooking oil. So I'm going to be using a few ingredients. So I'm going to be using potatoes, carrots, blended tomatoes, 1 large onion, crushed garlic and ginger, black pepper, curry powder of course, and salt, cornstarch, and if you don't have cornstarch you can use all-purpose flour, and our sausages. Yeah, that is all I'm going to be using. So if you miss a thing or two about quantity, you can check the description box and you will find everything listed there together with some of my videos. So my oil is super hot. I'm going to add in my sausages. So I'm going to let the sausages cook until ready. Then I'm going to put them aside, and you can use any type of sausages. If you have pork, you have beef, you have chicken, it's still okay. So I'm going to be flipping my sausages as they cook, and they look very nice. So I'm shallow frying my sausages. You can also deep fry your sausages and they'll turn out even more amazing. So something about this recipe, it is very easy, and all the ingredients I know you have in your house or in your pantry. So try out the recipe and you'll love, and you will definitely love. You just place the sausages upon each other and turn as they cook, so they'll definitely cook all sides. My sausages are ready, and I'm going to place my sausages in a paper towel to drain excess oil. So they're looking amazing, and I'm tempted to have one. Now in the same pan I'm going to add onions. I'm using 1 large onion. Stir. So I'm cooking the same oil that I used to fry my sausages, so it's very flavorful. Cook until soft, and once soft I'm going to add in my crushed garlic and ginger. Stir. So I'll cook my garlic and ginger until fragrant, and also keep stirring as the ginger cooks because we don't want the ginger and garlic to burn. So this is smelling so good. Now it's time to add my tomatoes. Add in my tomatoes, then stir. Once everything is combined, I'm going to add in my curry powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, a little bit of salt, just a tiny little bit of salt, and then I'm going to add 1 beef stock cube. can skip the beef stock cube. I just wanted to add some beef flavor to my curried sausages. Let the spices cook together with the tomatoes. Letting your tomatoes cook together with the spices is going to make the spices even more fragrant because we're giving them time to cook. So it's going to be very delicious. So don't add your spices the last thing because they won't be super fragrant or super flavorful. I'm going to let my tomatoes cook for around 1 minute on medium low. And if you notice that if you have not blended your tomatoes and you notice that they're burning, you can add a little bit of water so that the tomatoes can cook through. My tomatoes are ready at this point, so I'm going to add in my carrots. I've thinly sliced my carrots so that they can cook faster. Stir in the carrots. Then I'm going to add in my potatoes. So these are 3 large potatoes. Then I'm going to add in a little bit of water. That is around 1.5 cups of water. Once everything is combined, I'm going to add back my sausages, which I've cut into pieces. Stir. Once everything is ready, I'm going to simmer my dish for 5 minutes on medium low. And if you are using medium high, you can watch over so that the potatoes don't overcook or something might burn. Yeah, you don't want something to burn. It's been around 2 minutes and my curried sausages are looking amazing. So I'm going to add in cornstarch. So I've added a little bit of water to my cornstarch. Next, I'm going to add in stir. The cornstarch is to thicken the gravy. So I'll stir. And within seconds, you can see how it has become thick. You can add a little bit of water if the gravy is too thick. And then you simmer on low so that the potatoes can cook through. This smells amazing. So I'm going to check the seasoning. Just perfect. I'm going to give this another 4 minutes and then my meal will be ready. So this is my lunch. My curried sausages are ready and also my potatoes are ready. A quick tip for you, if you notice that the edges of the potatoes are breaking down, your potato is ready. And if you don't know how to check that, you can just insert a fork, and once it goes through, your potatoes are ready. So don't let your potatoes overcook. I'm going to be having mine with carrot rice, and if you haven't watched the video, you can check it out up here and you'll enjoy the recipe. So I'll turn off the gas and serve, and this is going to be totally amazing. So I'm going to serve mine in a bowl just to show you how amazing this dish looks. Add a little bit of gravy. Yum. My dish is ready and it's smelling super amazing. The gravy is thick but not too thick. You can notice the carrots, the potatoes, nothing is overcooked, and it looks so good. So I hope you try out this recipe. Pair it with your favorite rice or mashed potatoes or spaghetti, and you'll surely enjoy this dish. So if you're watching my video to this point, don't forget to give my video a thumbs up, and bye. Catch you on my next one.